Now, the one good thing, actually, good that we actually caught this now. Look at where we are. There's John's script. And look at, actually, you can see the market's actually fighting as we speak at that level. So interesting to see John's script doing its thing. Way to go, John. I swear, John's been an absolute gift to us here at TRI. Probably also, I wouldn't be surprised if we start coming into some fib levels here. So, you know, Brian loves his 78.6. Wicks and tails like to be eaten. So you can see we dipped all the way down into here. So we're definitely eating that tail. We're in reload zones. We've cleaned out these stops. So, not a bad area, actually. Start thinking about a bottom. Probably also, too, you could go AB. And kind of like what I did, I don't know which market it was, but one of these markets, right? We just did that. Sort of your sideways consolidation. So AB, then clone that, take that CD, and there you go. That actually takes us all the way down here. So actually what would be kind of cool is to see whether some sort of bull div can form here. My hunch is, since this is a 4-hour chart, we're probably going to finish the day somewhere around in here. Then we'll open up, maybe make a new low in price, right? So it looks like that. But the indicators, they make a higher low. So we start getting our bull divs forming. And then maybe over here, you start getting your W's that actually justify longs. So we're closer to the bottom than the top, so that's good. But at the same time, too, you see where reload zones are. I don't know where the hell this comes in down here, but it's probably somewhere down here. ETH, one good thing, we got back to ATR, so that's good. Probably means like on the day, you can see there's a little bit of a gap down here. It looks like it sort of stopped the selling right there. You can see that low of that tail, boom, right into the gap. Tell you, folks, this stuff works. A gap, fill, doink. ATR's here, so probably we're going to sort of settle out on the day somewhere in here. But my hunch is there's probably a bit more to go on the downside down into this area down here. And if we do the same thing on ETH, reload zones, there you go. So 61.8 is this double bottom level. 78.6 is actually the last time when you see a serious double W that was actually put in price. So, you know, there's your objective. Right now, we're just in no man's land. A little bit dangerous. I don't think it's a good idea to get too aggressively bullish here. I do actually like the idea, believe it or not, that we actually rally back, come up, and kiss this trend line from the other side and continue our way down. So maybe watch for that. That might set up a trade. But nothing for me to do right now. And then, of course, you know, I mean, put it into context. Has the breadth indicator turned back up? It has not. So there's just nothing to do here. If anything, I really liked Sjord. I think we're slowly getting him on board. They just simply hunt the setups in whatever direction this thing is pointing. All through here, hunt long setups. All through here, hunt short setups. Just that simple, folks.